just upgrading the kitchen tap. This one here is less than a year old, and as you can see, it's already leaking. So we're going to replace it with this one. This one, I'll leave a link in the description. It's very nice. It's all polished metal. It comes with the hoses that go directly to your water lines. And check that out. It's nice. It should be pretty much straightforward. We loosen the bolt underneath there. We pull this out. We drop this in. Tighten it down. Click it in there. We're good to go. See how quick it is to get this done. It does come with single-handed pull-down kitchen faucet instructions. So if you have a dual sink that has two holes coming up, you can use this, which will cover the holes, but you'll have to drill a hole in the middle if it doesn't have it. It does come with instructions, so that's a good thing. That was easy. Single nut to tighten it up. The lines go right to your shutoffs. It doesn't get much easier than that. You put a weight on it that keeps this from dangling, and it stays in there. You might have to adjust it some more, but that's nice. Pull, tilt. Pretty straightforward. It's basically like that one there, where it clips into there, and then the water lines are already pre-installed. So you're laughing. Easiest tap I've ever installed. This in real time. This thing actually works really good. Not too sure what that does. Just shuts it off, I guess. Yeah, it's nice.